Is the sacrilege issue causing a dent in AAP's electoral prospects this year? This controversy has stirred strong reactions and could reshape voter loyalty in unexpected ways. The sacrilege issue centers on allegations against certain individuals associated with the Aam Aadmi Party. These incidents quickly gained traction in media and public discussions, inflaming communal sensitivities. Such controversies often shake the trust voters place in political parties, especially when they touch on religious sentiments. Understanding the origins and details of these claims is key to grasping their potential electoral impact. The public reaction to the sacrilege issue has been intense. Protests erupted in multiple regions, while social media became a battleground of opinions both supporting and condemning AAP. For some voters, this controversy has cast doubts over the party's commitment to secularism and harmony. Others see it as politically motivated opposition. This polarization can erode AAP's core support or galvanize it, depending on how the party manages the narrative. Polling data since the controversy surfaced reveal a nuanced picture. In some constituencies, AAP has experienced a dip in voter enthusiasm, likely linked to the sacrilege issue. However, other areas report steady or even increased support, indicating that the party's overall prospects are not uniformly affected. This suggests that local dynamics and AAP's campaign strategies will be critical in mitigating damage or capitalizing on loyalty. In response, AAP leaders have publicly denounced the sacrilege claims, calling them baseless and politically motivated. They have emphasized messages of communal harmony and focused on other election issues like governance and development. This strategy aims to shift focus away from controversy and rebuild voter confidence. The effectiveness of these efforts will likely influence how much the sacrilege issue affects electoral outcomes. While the sacrilege issue has undoubtedly stirred controversy and complicated AAP's electoral landscape, its overall impact varies by region and voter sentiment. How AAP navigates this challenge could redefine its political future. Stay curious and hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.